Is LTX Studio the best AI video tool in 2025? LTX Studio is an open source AI video generator promising high quality results, fast performance, and low cost. Here's an honest review based on real world use. So, what it does, it will let you generate a full video scene using AI, whether for short clips or full series, while keeping GPU usage and cost low. So this supports multi-keyframe conditioning and camera control, giving creators more flexibility in scene direction and visual flow. To get started with this, you can simply click on Start for free to get redirected onto their website. So just make sure to sign up first for an account. Now to get started, you'll just have to choose in here which one you want to use. For example, we want to generate a storyboard. So let's click onto the icon here and you could go ahead and input your concept. So you have the different flow here: concept, storyline, setting and cast, and breakdown. So you'll just have to upload your text here. And for this one, we have examples that we could use here onto the right side. So we're gonna click here and then we'll click on next. It will generate for you. You'll just have to wait for that. Right after, you could type in your storyline, and since we're using an example, we have that here already. So we have alternative storylines here onto the left side. So you can choose which storyline you prefer. And we have here onto the upper part the different categories for it. So you could update some things in here if you're not satisfied with it, and you'll just have to click on next to proceed. So it will continue generating for you, and you'll just have to wait so that you could go ahead and choose settings and cast. So you could add in your project name here, aspect ratio, it's video style. So we opt for a cinematic for this one. And you could also choose a character here. So you could add more character as for preference. You could go ahead and drag in an image in here or upload a file for your style reference. You could add more inspiration here onto the bottom part, and feel free to edit as well the characters here onto your cast. So once you're satisfied, just simply click on next again and you should be able to see the breakdown right after. You could do a quick run through, you could add more scenes, and you could edit also the scenes here. Just click on start and then wait for it to generate your video. Some challenges in here in LTX is that results can be inconsistent. So some outputs are impressive, others might break or crash. So that is a learning curve, especially with upscaling and animation prompts. So this still lacks the polish and stability of commercial tools like Google Video V2 or Kling 2.0. LTX Studio is a promising open source tool that is great for experimentation and prototyping. But you could go ahead and expect some bugs, retries, and mixed results. So you could just stick for their free tier until the platform becomes more stable and you're already satisfied with its performance. And if you're satisfied already, here are their pricing so that you could pick a plan to get started. So we're using the free version right now. We have Lite, Standard, and Pro. So you could go ahead and compare each of the plans in here to see which one suits you best. So just click on subscribe if you want to go ahead and upgrade already your plan. Going back to the video in here, now here's a sample on what we have generated here on LTX. So these are just photos yet, but if you go back here, there should be an option for you to generate motion onto each scenes here. You should be able to see the prompts as well, and you could go ahead and make some edits onto it before proceeding. So you could go ahead and click onto the play button in here once you're satisfied, and you could do more options here onto its left side. So feel free to go ahead and explore the different things that are offered here on LTX to generate the video that you're looking for. And that is our honest review of LTX Studio in 2025.